and they dispatch to the roar of the crowd. 2,200 meters the trip. Big City Life tears away in the early stages, the leader by a length and a half. London Guest is keen. Forest Path is overcoming that draw. London Guest, Thundering Jets at the rail. Aluminium's on the move. Tropical Empire and Tandawami. Zirconium on the right-hand side. Meteor Shower and Our Giant about 6 lengths off them. Buy and sell a bit of jostling back. Cape Town and Kathmandu as we read back through the field. River Jatez. Pocket Powers fourth to last. Then comes Bouquet Ghani, Capel second to last, and out comes the trailer a dozen lengths off the leader. And that leader is Forest Path. He dictates matters a length and a tail. Aluminium's on the outside in second. Big City Lives on the heels in third. Zirconium, Thundering Jet. Smart Banker creeps closer. London Guest the next call. Then we find Tropical Empire about 7-8 lengths off the leader. Buy and sell Our Giant, Meteor Shower, then River Jatez. Bouquet Ghani, Cape Town, then comes Capel. The ground begins to shake beneath Pocket Power. He's second to last, 13 lengths off them, but the rest of the field are on their toes. Out comes the trailer. Forest Path at the 700, Aluminium second. I can tell you Big City Life is perfectly poised in third. Zirconium, Thundering Jet, Tropical Empires at the rail, Smart Banker, Like It Hot on the outside, buy and sell. Kathmandu in behind these runners. Pocket Powers lost at the top of the lane, extreme outside. Forest Path, Big City Life. Zirconium moves up, Thundering Jet, Tropical Empire on the inside, Our Giant, Pocket Power and River Jatez to the outside. Big City Life, Zirconium, Big City Life and Zirconium. Pocket Power's coming too late. Big City Life, fire in his eyes. Zirconium, Forest Path, Thundering Jet, then only came Pocket Power. Big City Life, he rises to the occasion, the 3-year-old from the Glen Cotson stable. He had a perfect position. Greg Sheen, the son of Casey Tibbs. It's a fairy tale story. Here's Big City Life. He's too good. And from the Glen Cotson stable, he'd been working up a storm back home. 3 parts of a length. The day belongs to Big